Basements can often feel damp and musty, creating an uncomfortable living environment. Many homeowners make the mistake of thinking that any dehumidifier will do, but that's not the case. In today's video, we'll compare 5 top-rated dehumidifiers specifically designed for basements, highlighting their unique features and what they bring to the table. Stay tuned for the #1 pick, which has surprising features that can transform your basement into a dry haven. Don't forget, links in the description will take you to current prices, and make sure to subscribe for more insightful content. Waykar 80 Pints Energy Star Dehumidifier. The Waykar 80 Pints Energy Star Dehumidifier is a robust option for any basement plagued by humidity. With a powerful extraction capacity of up to 80 pints per day, this model is perfect for larger spaces. It features an easy-to-read LED display, allowing you to effortlessly adjust settings. The continuous drainage option means you can set it and forget it, ideal for those who may not want to manually empty a water tank frequently. This unit is particularly suited for homeowners battling significant moisture issues or those who maintain a workshop in their basement. However, some users note that it can be a bit noisy during operation, which is something to consider if you're sensitive to sound. Waykar 34 Pints Energy Star Dehumidifier. Next up is the Waykar 34 Pints Energy Star Dehumidifier, which provides optimal performance for smaller basements or areas with lighter humidity. This model is compact and efficient, removing up to 34 pints of moisture daily, making it perfect for spaces that don't need an industrial-strength solution. It has a user-friendly control panel and features an automatic shut-off function when the tank is full, ensuring you won't accidentally overflow. It's excellent for those who enjoy recreational activities in their basements, like painting or working on projects. However, it may struggle if your basement is excessively humid, so keep that in mind before purchasing. Midea 1. Coming in at #3 is the Midea 1, which is lauded for its smart technology features. This dehumidifier can remove up to 70 pints of moisture per day, making it suitable for medium to large basements. One of its standout features is the Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to control settings from your smartphone or tablet. Imagine being able to adjust humidity levels from anywhere in your home. It's also equipped with a reusable filter, making maintenance simple and cost-effective. This model is best for tech-savvy homeowners who want a hassle-free solution. The only downside is that the installation of the app can be a bit tricky for some users, potentially requiring a bit of patience. 80 Pint Dehumidifier. The 80 Pint Dehumidifier comes in at the 2nd spot, renowned for its impressive moisture removal capabilities. It is designed to efficiently eliminate up to 80 pints of moisture daily, making it an excellent choice for larger basements or areas subject to heavy moisture. This dehumidifier includes a built-in pump, which allows for continuous drainage even in low-lying areas, eliminating the need for manual emptying. It's perfect for homeowners who have a lot of seasonal items stored in their basements, protecting them from mold and mildew. However, be prepared for a larger footprint, as it may take up more space compared to smaller models. ToLife Dehumidifier. Topping our list is the ToLife Dehumidifier, a versatile unit that stands out for its balance of power and efficiency. It can remove up to 70 pints of moisture per day and operates quietly, making it perfect for homes where noise is a concern. Its compact design allows it to fit easily in tight spaces, while its auto restart feature ensures it resumes operation after power outages. This makes it an ideal choice for families who want effective moisture control without sacrificing comfort. Whether you use it in your basement for storage or as part of your home gym, the ToLife Dehumidifier is user-friendly and dependable. However, its water tank capacity may not be sufficient for very large spaces, requiring more frequent emptying. Thank you for watching our breakdown of the top 5 dehumidifiers for your basement in 2026. Each option has unique strengths to suit different needs. Whether you're dealing with significant moisture or just want to maintain a comfortable humidity level, click the links in the description to check out the prices, and be sure to subscribe for more reviews and home improvement tips that make your living spaces better.